Hey guys, I have heard that many of you have buzzing kind of sound while recording. So I'm just going to teach you how to remove that. So first of all, download Audacity, then open it, record a new sound. 1, 2, 3, testing. Done. Select this area, the empty area, effect, noise removal, get noise profile. Then select the whole clip, effect, noise removal, noise reduction 48, set this to 48. Okay. Then